it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Glossier Lidstar pigments. You guys know I love me some good cruelty-free beauty, but I'm also on a budget, and so when I saw that Glossier was releasing these eye pigments that are $18 each, I was pretty skeptical, but I knew that I had to get them so that I could review them for you guys and help you determine whether or not they're worth your money. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love it if you click that subscribe button. I post new videos every Monday and Friday helping you live your most beautiful life on a budget. I do product reviews, DIY, styling videos, you name it, so I would love to have you back. But I have a lot to say about these, so for now, we are going to get straight into the review. So this is what they look like, and I'm going to talk about the packaging first because it's really unique, but I'm not sure that it's unique in a good way. So they basically look like little test tubes, but then it has this like bulky like lip gloss type thing at the top where you do it. The doe foot applicator is fine, those are pretty standard, but what I don't like about this is unless you put it upside down, you can't really like rest it on anything. Should be fine if you're keeping it in a vanity or a makeup bag, but if you like to like have your products out, it kind of will just like roll around. The other thing that made me super apprehensive to buy these is that they're expensive. These are $18 each, or 2 for $30 if you buy them like as a set. But I ended up getting them just because I wanted to review them for you guys. But I'm already pretty dubious because a single eyeshadow color being $18 is a little bit exorbitant, I think. So I got Cub and Moon. Cub is this rose gold shade here, and I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. It leans much more on the red side. It's very concentrated, so I think what I'm actually going to do is kind of just like put it on, but then blend it out with my finger so it's a little bit less intense. What I did notice when I was swatching this is that the swatch was really hard to get off. It was almost like a cross between a cream and a liquid lipstick as far as like consistency goes, so I really had to like scrub to get the color off. So I think that bodes well for your eyes. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use these with a primer or not, but I just kind of did a concealer on my top lids just to try it out. So I'm going to start by testing out Cub because it's definitely the more pigmented of the two. Okay, so what I'm noticing so far before I go ahead and blend out here is you get a very glossy lid look, which is really popular right now. It does not surprise me at all because that's like Glossier. Like you can't really get much more on brand than that. I'm just gonna like pat this in here. And then for this one, I'm just gonna pat the edges, but I'm not gonna touch the middle, so you guys can see the difference. So I thought patting it out would be better, but actually it's like not pigmented enough to pat out. So what I did was just kind of like blended the edges of this one, and this one looks much better than this one does by contrast. So this one is the one that I blended all the way out, and then this one is the one that I just blended the edges. You can see it's a really glossy look. I like the glossy lid thing, and it doesn't seem to be creasing like as I move my eye. So first impression is I like it-ish, but I feel like I could get the same thing from like e.l.f. for like $3. So I'm gonna try out Moon now, and given how Cub was like super subtle, I have no idea what this is gonna be like, because this was already kind of hard to see when I like swatched it on my hand, so I feel like this isn't gonna do much. This one, I'm going to just blend out the edges on both sides. I will say what I noticed when I took off Cub was that it had a lot of staying power. It was hard to get off. So if that's what you're looking for, that's for you. Pat the edges in here. It's essentially eye gloss. I don't know why I expected anything different. All right, so as I thought, this one is super, super subtle. I feel like this doesn't make enough of a difference to my eyes to warrant it being $18. It might, however, be a really pretty like brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight. If you've used the Glossier Halo Scope, this kind of feels like they took Halo Scope and made it into a cream eyeshadow. It's very much the same like gelatine-y consistency, and it's like sticky and shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on so you guys can see what it looks like with mascara, and then I'm gonna do another close-up of this color so that you can see the swatch on my eyes. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit glossy, it's very subtle. I don't think that it did enough to be a $20 single eyeshadow. So all in all, Moon did like almost nothing, and honestly, I'm kind of disappointed with this release. It's expensive, and I don't feel like the products do as much as they should do for how expensive they are. At least Cub had a little bit of pigment to it, but this just like doesn't really look like anything. So unfortunately, overall, I have to say that I give these Glossier Lidstar pigments a huge old thumbs down. I would not recommend buying them. However, if you feel like this is a product that is right for you, you know, everybody has their own needs and opinions, and what's not right for me might be right for you. I do have a coupon code to make them slightly less expensive for you. So if you want to get 10% off your purchase, you can go ahead and click in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss when I post. As usual, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you all with my next video. Bye.